One of the most common errors that you'll encounter while working with dynamic arrays is the spill error. In this video, I'll show you why does that error occur and how can you resolve it. In the example that we have in front of us, units sold for a company across different countries are mentioned. The company anticipates a 10% growth next year. We need to calculate the next year's estimated numbers. Let's write the formula using dynamic arrays. I will select all the sales numbers and multiply that by 1 plus 10% given in the cell B1. And we get the spill error. As I click on the formula, Excel shows a blue border where it wanted to display the result. However, instead of displaying the result, there is a spill error. Also, since there is an error, instead of showing a solid blue border, it is displaying a broken blue border. Now, the spill error occurs when there is some value already occupying one or more cells where Excel wants to display the result of the dynamic arrays. As a precaution, Excel does not delete your content, but instead shows a spill error. You'll see that in the cell C7 we have some text which is preventing Excel to display the result. Therefore, we get the spill error. To resolve this error, all we need to do is delete the text in the cell C7 and the formula will display the result. As soon as I hit delete, the result is displayed. And you can see now the border is a solid line instead of a broken line. Spill error can come if there is a text or formula or even a simple blank space. I will select the cell C9 and press the space bar once. As I press enter, I get the spill error. This is due to the space in cell C9. Such errors can sometimes be hard to understand. However, the best way to resolve this is to select all the values where you expect the dynamic arrays to display the result and hit delete. See, you get the results now. So this is how you resolve the spill error while working with dynamic arrays. Thanks for watching.